Good morning, Lucy.
Good morning, Alex.
You look very sleepy today.
I am very sleepy.
What is in your hand?
This is my big cup.
What is inside the cup?
It is coffee.
It smells very strong.
It is strong black coffee.
Put the cup down, Lucy.
Why? I need this coffee.
Today is a special day.
Why is today special?
Today is the No Caffeine Challenge.
I do not like this challenge.
We will wake up naturally.
That sounds impossible.
It is possible.
I cannot open my eyes.
Put the coffee on the table.
I am putting the coffee down.
Good job.
I feel sad now.
Do not be sad.
What do we do first?
We need a plan.
My plan is to sleep.
No sleeping.
I am yawning.
Stop yawning.
I cannot stop.
We need tools for this.
What tools do we need?
We need water.
I have water in the kitchen.
Go get a glass of water.
I am walking to the kitchen.
Fill the glass with cold water.
I am pouring the water.
Bring the water here.
I have the water.
This is tool number 1.
Water is boring.
Water is energy.
Coffee is energy.
Coffee is fake energy.
It feels real to me.
We also need light.
The room is dark.
We will fix that soon.
Are we ready now?
We are ready to start.
I am still tired.
Trust me, Lucy.
I will try.
Look at the window.
The curtains are closed.
Walk to the window.
I am walking slowly.
Open the curtains wide.
I am pulling the curtains.
Look at the sun.
The sun is too bright.
The sun wakes up your brain.
My eyes hurt a little.
Blink your eyes.
I am blinking.
Now drink the water.
All of it?
Yes, drink the whole glass.
I am drinking the water.
It is cold and fresh.
It is very cold.
How do you feel?
I feel a little awake.
Water helps your blood flow.
My stomach feels full.
Now we need cold air.
No, I like warm air.
Open the window.
I am opening the window.
Feel the breeze.
The wind is cold.
Take a deep breath
I am breathing in.
and breathe out slowly.
I am breathing out.
Do it again.
I breathe in.
And breathe out.
I breathe out.
Now we go to the bathroom.
Why are we going there?
We need more cold water.
I do not like this part.
Stand by the sink.
I am standing here.
Turn on the tap.
The water is running.
Put water on your face.
Splash my face?
Yes, splash your face.
Okay, here I go.
Do it now.
Oh, that is freezing.
Do it one more time.
I am splashing again.
Now dry your face.
I am using the towel.
Look in the mirror.
I look awake now.
You look surprised.
The water was a shock.
That shock is good energy.
My heart is beating fast.
That means it is working.
Okay, I am awake.
But we are not done.
There is more?
Yes, we must move now. We need to exercise.
I am too tired for sports.
Just simple movements.
Fine. What do I do?
Stand with feet apart.
My feet are apart.
Reach your hands up.
My hands are high.
Touch the ceiling.
I cannot reach the ceiling.
Just pretend.
I am stretching up.
Now touch your toes.
I am bending down.
Can you touch them?
Yes, I am touching my toes.
Stand up fast.
I am standing up.
Let's do 10 jumping jacks.
10 is a big number.
We will count together.
Okay, ready.
1, 2, 3.
4, 5, 6.
Keep going. 7, 8,
9, 10.
Stop. Breathe.
I am breathing hard.
Your blood is moving.
I feel warmer now.
Good. Now we need food.
I am hungry.
We will make a smoothie.
I like smoothies.
Go to the blender.
I am at the blender.
We need fruit.
I see a banana.
Peel the banana.
I am peeling it.
Put it in the blender.
The banana is inside.
Do you see an apple?
Yes, I have a green apple.
Wash the apple.
I am washing it.
Cut the apple into pieces.
I am cutting the apple.
Put the pieces in.
The apple is inside.
Now we need spinach.
Spinach is green.
Green is good for energy.
It tastes like leaves.
You will not taste it.
I am putting spinach in.
Add some water.
I am pouring water.
Put the lid on.
The lid is tight.
Turn it on.
It is very loud.
Wait for 10 seconds.
5, 4, 3.
2, 1. Stop.
It looks very green.
Pour it into a glass.
I am pouring the drink.
Take a big sip.
I am drinking it.
Is it good?
It is sweet.
The fruit sugar helps you.
It is better than coffee.
Drink it all.
I am drinking fast.
Do not drink too fast.
My head hurts.
That is a brain freeze.
It hurts a lot.
Wait a moment.
Okay, the pain is gone.
You have food energy now.
I feel ready to run.
Do not run yet.
I have so much energy.
We have one more step.
What is the step?
We need to get dressed.
I am in my pajamas.
Pajamas make you sleepy.
They are soft and warm.
Put on real clothes.
I will change my clothes.
Put on your shoes too.
Shoes inside the house?
Yes, shoes mean action.
I am tying my shoes.
You look ready now.
I feel ready.
Wait, what is that?
What is what?
In your pocket.
Nothing is in my pocket.
I see a wrapper.
Oh, this is nothing.
Show me the wrapper.
It is just a snack.
Pull it out, Lucy.
I am pulling it out.
It's a chocolate bar.
It is small.
Chocolate has caffeine.
Just a little bit.
No caffeine today.
But I need a boost.
You have natural energy.
The chocolate calls my name.
Give me the chocolate.
No, it is mine.
Lucy, give it to me.
I am hiding it.
Where are you hiding it?
I am hiding it behind my back.
I can still see it.
No, you cannot.
Put it on the table.
Okay, fine.
We almost failed.
I am sorry, Alex.
It is a habit.
Habits are hard to break.
Wait, I smell something.
I do not smell anything.
I smell coffee.
Oh, no.
Did you make coffee?
No, I did not.
Walk to the kitchen.
I am in the kitchen.
Look at the machine.
The machine is off.
Touch the pot.
The pot is cold.
Then what is that smell?
Look at the candle.
The candle on the table?
Yes, I lit the candle.
Smell the candle.
I am smelling it.
What does it smell like?
It smells like vanilla latte.
You lit a coffee candle?
I missed the smell.
Blow out the candle.
I am blowing it out.
That is cheating.
It is not drinking.
It tricks your brain.
My brain likes it.
No coffee smells today.
Okay, no smells.
Let us go outside.
Outside the house?
Yes, fresh air is best.
I am opening the door.
Step outside.
I am standing outside.
The air is cool here.
It wakes me up more.
See? No candle needed.
You are right again.
How long has it been?
I will check my watch.
What does it say?
It has been 1 hour.
1 hour with no coffee.
I cannot believe it.
How is your energy?
My energy is high.
Is it a level 10?
It is a level 9.
That is amazing.
I do not shake.
Coffee makes you shake.
I feel calm but awake.
Let us review.
I remember the steps.
What was step 1?
Step 1 was water.
Why water?
The body needs water.
Correct. What was step 2?
Step 2 was light.
Sunlight or room light?
Sunlight is the best.
Perfect. What was step 3?
Step 3 was cold air.
And cold water too.
Yes, the cold splash.
What was step 4?
Step 4 was movement.
We did jumping jacks.
And we stretched up high.
What was step 5?
Step 5 was food.
The green smoothie.
It was yummy.
Do you miss the coffee?
A little bit.
Do you need it?
No, I do not need it.
Will you drink it tomorrow?
Maybe 1 small cup.
That is okay.
But today I am free.
You are a champion.
I feel like a champion.
High five.
I am high-fiving you.
Now let us start the day.
What do we do now?
We go to work.
Oh, I forgot about work.
You have energy for work.
Yes, I am ready.
Grab your bag.
I have my bag.
Leave the chocolate here.
Okay. Goodbye, chocolate.
Let's go.
Let's go.
See you next time.
Bye, everyone.